Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today I'm going to review Xiaomi RedmiBook Pro 14 with the Ryzen edition. Xiaomi RedmiBook Pro 14 Ryzen edition is a Windows 10 home laptop with a 14-inch display that has a resolution of 2460 by 1600 pixels. It is powered by the Ryzen 5 processor and comes with a 16 GB of RAM. The Xiaomi RedmiBook Pro 14 Ryzen edition packs a 512 GB of SSD storage. Connectivity options include the Wi-Fi 802.11 A by B by G by N by AC. It has the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it comes with the USB ports, 4 of them, one USB Type 2.0, the USB Type 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, HDMI port, and headphone and mic combo jack ports. And the material which this laptop is made is aluminium, colors are star gray, and battery capacity is 56 watt hour, and a refresh rate of display is 60 Hz. Processor is AMD Ryzen 5 5500U, 16 GB of RAM, 2 RAM slots, and Bluetooth version is 5.1. And inputs, we can say it has 720 pixels of web camera, pointer device is trackpad, backlight keyboard is there, touchpad is there, inverter mic is there, 2 speakers are also there, fingerprint sensor is also there. Ports, as told, number of USB ports are 4, and the weight is 1.42 grams. Dimension is 220.4 by 315.6 by 17.25 millimeters. And it was released May 2021. Thanks so much for watching. My name is John. This is Tech Insider, and I'll see you in the next video.